Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I got something really special for you. It will be probably quick video, but also very good information for someone who want to plug in the front panel. There is no mention at all. I will be check it online. This mainboard. I will type the name of the mainboard from here. It's an Asus P50L front panel. Write the connection over here. You can see that. And just connect one by one from here. Here you go. Okay. Sometimes it's hard to plug in the main board to the power cable and all of the stuff around, but you can easily find it usually on the new main board, every single information printed on the board. That means I just plug in first cable, power cable, which is usually top 4 row on the right side, last 2. That doesn't matter the direction because it's just to make a short between this. Underneath is actually usually is a restart cable. It also doesn't matter which one is left and right. On top line left side is usually hard drive light, which plus is usually on the left side. Yeah, I think usually plus is on the left side. If you put the opposite way, it doesn't matter, it just will be a white, or for hard drive on the case will be not flashing. You can still change this direction later on. Also you got a power LED on the case. Also plus is on the left side usually, and you can try it. If it's not lights on, you can just change this. That will be nothing really important happen. You just change plus and minus for the LEDs. It means it will be does that wrong. Once you got this, I just put the PSU for this lovely PC and start connecting all of the cable, all of the hard drive, just step by step, and SATA cables, back cables, power cables, all of the cable. Click like, subscribe for more video like this, and see you later guys.